Well, here we go now. Cobra 19XS, made in Korea. Very likely it could be a Maxon radio, perhaps. I've got some paperwork with this one. Let's have a little look. I can get it to come out of the box. Struggle with that. There we are, some original paperwork, the usual. Rules of the CB radio. Never had one of these before, definitely not many of these. I've never seen one in the UK, to be honest. Little basic straight 40. All familiar with the layout, I'm sure. But this little beauty. Brown fire nude. I doubt it's ever been used. Yeah. The paint flaking. Different plug that they normally have. What's the date on this? October 1983. A dinky little thing that is. I think it must have been used as a thumb screw in there. Well, a screw, not a thumb screw, because it's a very basic model. So look, more paperwork, warranty papers. There we go. Signs of a bit of use. Little Cobra microphone and the power lead with the how many radios I get from the States has got one of these on. Cigarette lighter socket. Dozens and dozens and dozens of them. Very a nice little set that. I like to get that one going later. Nice little addition to my little Cobra collection. I'd imagine it's a Maxon build. I'll know when I get inside and have a look. Good loud powerful little radio that will be, you see. Anyway, that's the Cobra 19XS. 40 channels, straight 40.